must get soggy because those buildings back there were built with to lift them up off the land. Either that or it must heave in the wintertime when it freezes.
What's that running out there?
Oil pump. Oh my!
What was that?
A family of deer. There was 10 of them on the road right there. Southbound lanes are coming to a stop to let them cross. I didn't even see them. I was looking off that way. I better keep my eyes open. I'll put forward collision avoidance on maximum. I should lock that video. There was some deer in the road back there.
Video protected.
Railroad tracks are going up this hill too. That must be a steep hill for them.